Honorable CM, Honorable Speaker. Honorable CM, Honorable Speaker.
Because, sir, I would like to bring to the attention of the House that there was a no confidence motion in Siridam Panchayat at the moment. The police are not allowing the Panchayat meeting to be held. Police are not allowing the Panchayat meeting to be held because the Panchayat is falling. पट्टा रे ते, तो कोण नो कॉन्फिडन्स इज गेटिंग पास्ट आणि जो आमदाराचो बॅकिंगाचो पंच आहा सरपंच आहा तो पट्टा दिसता म्हणून ताणें पुलीस घाल्यान मिटिंगूच घेवंक दिना कितें स्पीकर सर कंप्लीट कोलॅप्स ऑफ लॉ एंड ऑर्डर
स्पीकर सर
खंय डेमोक्रेसी उरल्या
आतां ह्याच पॉयंटाचेर येता आसतना चीफ मिनिस्टर हांव येतालो आतां थंयच्यान कांय लोकांनी म्हजी गाडी आडयली आनी ते म्हाका म्हणपाक लागले तूं पंचायती चल हांव म्हटलें म्हाका असेंब्ली आहा बरोबर दिसना हांव ते पंचायती वचून इश्यू करप तांचें म्हणणें कितें
हांवें इतकें सांगता पुलीस हाडोवचे ना
स्पीकर सर आमकां खबर आहा
पंचायतीक लॉक मारला.
म्हज्या पक्षाचो तातूंत इन्वॉल्वमेंट आहा पडटा ते नंबर 4 जे पंच आहा ते आमचे कडेन आहा थंय तांणी एक लॉक घाली कोणे तरी येवन पंचायतीक नव्हे ते लॉक तोडलें आतां म्हणटा लॉक तोडलां सो मिटींग घेवपाक मेळना तो कितें
आज
जर ताजे पयलीं एक कुप्रसिद्ध गुंडाक फायल दिली की ते पंच पावचेच न्ही म्हणून थंय गुंडा पुलीस जॉयंट वेंचर आनी रेप चालूच आहा
स्पीकर सर हांवें ऑलरेडी इन्स्ट्रक्शन दिला पुलीस कोणाकूच आडोवचे ना
मिटींग घेवपाक जाय
Meeting जातली.
डायरेक्टर पंचायती कडेन
जातली.
कन्फर्मेशन कर
मिटींग जातली हांव कन्फर्मूय करता
सर 11 वरांचेर खंय मिटींग ठरयल्ली ते आतां म्हाका टायम नाशिल्लो म्हणून हांव पंचायती कडेन गेलो ना हांव डायरेक्ट हांगा आयलो 11 वरांचेर मिटींग ठरयल्ली तो म्हणटा खंय येवन ते कितें तरी आयला आनी ते पुलीस रावले आनी पंचायतीक लॉक मारला आय थिंक वी आर इन डेमोक्रेसी
हांव चॅक करता आनी मिटींग घेवंक लायता जाल्यार हांव चॅक करता आनी मिटींग घेवंक लायता
Speaker, sir, under Rule 49(2) of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business of Goa Legislative Assembly, reply to the postponed start question number 1A and unstart question number 30, 96, 101 and 102 scheduled for answering on 30th July 2021 may be postponed to the next session.
Speaker, sir, Rara.
Point of order.
Speaker, sir.
Under Rule 46, a
No, no,
postponed question cannot be
No, no, Vijay,
postponed by the minister.
Yes, sir.
The minister should go out. Only
Because,
in
sir,
absence
no, no,
of minister under Rule
Vijay,
46, he can postpone the postponed question.
No, no,
This is regarding a coal block.
Vijay, Vijay,
This is a massive scam.
Because, sir,
postpone करून जायना
because, sir,
under which rules? Cite the
Because
rules.
माझो प्रश्न 1A dated 30th March 2021.
तोच तो सांगता.
Reply was given on the floor of the House on 30th March 2021. Applies to the coal block, which we have alleged is a scam of more than 1,000 crores. So आम्ही त्याचा विषय घेतलो ताणे हाळो आणि सेट पोस्टपोन करून
it cannot be
आज
postponed.
स्पीकर सर वो रिप्लाय आशिल्लो आज तुम्ही म्हाका सकाळी सांगता की दिस इज पोस्टपोन अगेन
No, no, no.
तुमचे प्रोविजन खंयचे
Because, sir,
your
there
provision
are three rules.
answered postponed question.
There are three
One
rules.
is coal
Rule
block.
number 46, which says that the postponement can be due to the absence of minister. Minister is very much present. Vishwajit Ranek, alter ego na. Duplicate Vishwajit ka na, तोच तो Vishwajit. Rule number 49(2) states that it can be postponed to a later date, but not beyond the last date of this session. And rule number 49(3), information can't be given in public interest. कसले public interest? You have already given us.
Public interest?
You have already given us.
Answer दिले जो म्हाका.
दिले तुम्ही. Where is the question? Under which
Yes, sir,
rule?
under which rule?
Under
have
which
you
rules you are
postponed
doing
this postponed star LAQ, which was replied on 30th, but not come on the. He didn't answer it on in the assembly in the well of the house, and now he is seeking postponement again. खंयच्या provision under? खंयच्या provision under?
Speaker,
Speaker, sir.
Speaker, sir, according to Secretary
rule?
Legislature, this
Which
can
rule?
be under 49.
Which
It
rule?
can be under 40, Rule 49.2, it can be
No,
reposted.
no. 49.2 we will read to you. Speaker sir, I will read 49.2 to him. 49.2 clear cut बरेले हाँ, a question shall be replied on the date on which it is listed. If the information required by the member is not available, the minister shall state the position accordingly. The speaker may allow such further time, provided that the question listed for reply is on the last date, may be allowed to be postponed to the first date of the next session.
next session.
Now, it should be within the last date. You can't go behind that.
Because, sir, I have mentioned under
Speaker
what
sir,
the
I mean
Secretary has mentioned.
legal advice.
That
given
is
by
the
the-
matter.
काही नाटकं चालल्या
We will move the courts, huh? If you all are trying to hide this. We'll move a breach of privilege on him and we will move the courts. That you all are not
moving
giving
the courts.
information.
Breach of privilege is required because sir, the privilege
हा,
of the
breach
person
of
you are taking
privilege,
out.
deputy speaker तांचोच हा. Privilege committee is under them.
तुझे-
ते नाका. We'll move the courts.
What is the problem? Speaker sir, I am
कितें?
not able
भिता
to
कितें कोणाक?
Speaker sir,
You have said last time that you will reply this session. Now this session also you are again postponing it. Under which provisions of law?
हय. तो wrong provision
because
करता.
GIDCचो ब्लॉक 31 ऑक्टोबर 2019 दिलो थंयच्यान तुम्ही नाटकां केली GIDC तुम्ही गव्हर्नमेंट has got into GIDC. You have put a consultant who is under CBI scanner. We are alleging a scam which can be seen here. तातून डिले कोणे केलो सरकारान केलो स्पीकर सर सीबीआयची केसीन कोण कसो इन्वॉल्व आसा ताजे पेपर लास्ट टाइम दिले GFR 194 सरकार वापरता विदाउट अ ऑथॉरिटी एंड अ प्रोविजन आणि आज आम्ही परत डिस्कशन मागता ऑन आन्सर विच वॉज गिवन बाय यू ऑन 30th मार्च कसो ना
पण ते पोस्टपोनमेंट मागला त्यांनी सप्टेंबरान
Speaker
धरला
sir.
आमकां खबर आहा किती चालला ते
Speaker, sir, हे करून दिले.
MDO फिक्स करपाक पावणी चालू आहा गोंय पावणेर काडला आणि कोळसो म्हणून आहा तातून रॅकेट असताच कोळशान सगळे कोळशांनी रॅकेट आहा
कसं रिप्लाय कित्याक ना
ट्रान्सपोर्ट करता ते कोळशान रॅकेट आहा हातूनय रॅकेट आहा स्पीकर सर हातून हो क्वेश्चन असो आहा की दीस रिक्वायर्ड कसली ती गॅरंटी इट सेल्फ ऑफ हाऊ मेनी क्रोड्स कितली ताजी 163 क्रोड्स फक्त तुजी परफॉर्मन्स गॅरंटी आहा म्हळ्यार 1000 कोटी रुपयाचे स्कॅम हे स्पीकर आनी हे स्कॅमाचो क्वेश्चन हो कसोच आन्सर करना मंत्री कितें जालें ताका म्हाका कळना इन्फॉर्मेशन तुवें दिलां RTI तूं मेळटा आनी यू आर सायटींग द रॉंग रूल्स स्पीकर सर हू एडवायजीस द गव्हर्मेंट वी वूड लायक अ व्हाईट पेपर ऑन हू एडवायजीस यू
स्पीकर सर GFR अर्जन्सीचो जालो
कोण एडवायस करता तुमकां
नाही तुवें GFR वापरलो अर्जन्सीचो आता जाले देट 2 वर्सां खंयची अर्जन्सी
The minister has postponed the question. I am going for the start question one. Hey, Jay Sargogar. House is adjourned up to 1. House is adjourned up to 1 o'clock.